10 most earthquake-prone countries in the world. 10. Philippines. Worst earthquake, Moro Gulf, 1976. Magnitude 8.0. Death toll 4,791. The Philippines lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Major tectonic plates meet in this region. Landslides, typhoons, and tropical storms are also common. However, most quakes in the region are minor. 9. Mexico. Worst earthquake, Mexico City, 1985. Magnitude 8.0. Death toll up to 45,000. Mexico lies within 2 seismically active earthquake zones. Southern Mexico is the most seismically active. The deadliest quake was followed by a tsunami. The problem is compounded by high population density. 8. Italy. Worst earthquake, Strait of Messina, 1908. Magnitude 7.1. Death toll up to 200,000. Italy lies on the southern extent of the Eurasian plate. It's surrounded by 3 other tectonic plates. The Apennines contain numerous faults. There are plenty of volcanoes as well. 7. United States. Worst earthquake, San Francisco, 1906. Magnitude 7.9. Death toll 3,000 plus. The U.S. is positioned along major fault lines. They run through much of the western part of the country. However, most earthquakes take place in Alaska. Destructive quakes are rare on the mainland. 6. Peru. Worst earthquake, Ancash, 1970. Magnitude 7.9. Death toll up to 70,000. Peru sits at the heart of the Ring of Fire. Thus, earthquakes are a common occurrence. In 2022, there were 6 earthquakes that caused moderate damage. The interface between 2 major plates is near the Peruvian shore. 5. Japan. Worst earthquake, Nankai, 1498. Magnitude 8.6. Death toll 31,000. Japan is the world's leading authority on earthquakes. The country is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Its islands are fitted with thousands of seismometers. Despite these measures, the 2011 Tohoku earthquake killed over 20,000. 4. Turkey. Worst earthquake, Antioch, 11580. Magnitude 7.5. Death toll 260,000. Turkey is frequently hit by seismic activity. There are 3 plates and multiple fault lines at work. Some regions are part of the Zagros Fold and Thrust Belt. Turkey's largest city, Istanbul, may be the site of the next disaster. 3. Iran. Worst earthquake, Semnan, 856 AD. Magnitude 7.9. Death toll 200,000. 90% of Iran's territory is covered by major faults. As a result, Iran is prone to destructive earthquakes. The 2003 Kerman earthquake killed 26,000 people. Iranian building codes are subpar, which explains the casualty rates. 2. Indonesia. Worst earthquake, Indian Ocean, 2004. Magnitude 9.19.3. Death toll 227,898. Indonesia experiences major earthquakes nearly every year. In 2023 alone, there have been 3. That's because Indonesia lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire. To make matters worse, it's riddled with active volcanoes. 1. China. Worst earthquake, Tangshan, 1976. Magnitude 7.5. Death toll 300,000 plus. China has a long history of devastating earthquakes. The 2010 Yushu earthquake killed nearly 2,700 people. Western China is especially prone to seismic activity. Mountain landslides are a common deadly consequence.